They're here. Surprise dinner.
Wow! How about a hug? It's a party!
Everybody's here.
First dinner.
What's happening? Get hug like that.
She did my plywood. Oh. Yeah, we kiss.
Well, it's like a party.
We're having a
I got
party.
an estimate on it.
We're having a party.
I'm gonna lure you over here, Dad.
Ah.
That's F-15. They parked behind the beer, Dad. Wine, Mom? You got wine? Yeah. Wow. This is really nice of you.
I want it.
You want it?
Let's park.
All right, you know what we need to do now, Fanny? We need to get the big one.
16-footer.
Hi, Fanny.
Hi.
I'm moving you up and down with my face. Is that strange? Yes, it is. All right, let's go get a big one. Let's get a big one. Come on with me. We'll get a big one.
Minnie.
Whoa. Oh.